Hi, my name is Graham Drew, and this is Corey Hayes. He's going to be asking me questions every week about poly piping. Let's get into it.
Bring it on.
So this is how we run the pipe through the walls and to the ceiling here.
Gotcha. When did they ban this in Canada anyway?
So poly piping, it was discontinued in 1997. That's when a lot of the National Plumbing Code decided that they weren't going to allow polybutyl because of all the class action lawsuits. But it didn't officially get banned until 2005 when the Supreme Court of Canada deemed it inadmissible for insurance immunity. So quite a big period there. Like people could, I guess, legally still install it, but the plumbing code wouldn't have allowed it. So a lot of plumbers follow that plumbing code. Well, you should if you're a good plumber. And then you just couldn't buy it either. So once they had impending class action lawsuits, no manufacturer wanted to manufacture it anymore. So 97, a lot of plumbers think that's when it was banned, but it was actually just discontinued.
So what about now? If homeowners have it in their house, are they going to get payouts by these class action lawsuits, or is that something that just doesn't happen anymore?
I think that's something that we'll have to say for a different video.
Yeah. Hey Graham, thanks for answering this week's question on poly B. Stay tuned for next week's question or leave us a comment below and we'll create another video answer.